In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new group on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Snapchat application and then on the toolbar hit Add Chats icon. Then tap at that new message icon and here select New Group. Then just check mark those persons who you want to add to your new group chat. And here also you can tap where it says new group name to name that group and then just hit Add Chat with Group button. Here it says that I can't create group because some specific person haven't added me as a friend yet, so now I can go back and deselect those two persons and then hit on this button again. Now my group was created and here I can send some message. Now I can go back to my chats and there, as you can see, I got this new group and here I can hold down on that group to get some extra options. There I can leave that group, add new members to the group, edit group name, and also here I got some chat settings. I can pin that conversation, clear from chat feed, set up message notifications and enable or disable games and mini notifications in that group. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.